How to become a profitable trader in 2024. Follow these 8 trading rules to become a profitable trader. 1. Create a well-defined trading strategy with clear entry-exit rules for the trade and a well-defined risk management. 2. Backtest your trading strategy. 3. Have a pre-market game plan. Be aware of economic events, news, and key market levels before opening the market. 4. Start trading with small capital, so you can build confidence in the market. 5. Journal all your trades daily. 6. Stop focusing on your P&L as a measure of success in the market. 7. Stop paying attention to other traders on social media. 99% of things that you see on social media, especially in the trading space, is nonsense. 8. Stay focused, patient, and stick to your trading setup. It is possible to become a profitable trader. Tell me in comments what's your biggest trading mistake in 2023.